it's not Alia. So for today's presentation, we're going to present on the topic of construction resources management. Before that, we have to know what is the meaning of construction resources management. It is a process of planning and allocating the resources that are required to meet the project objectives. So in this construction resources management, there is 5 main duties to consider. So the first one is to manage the construction personnel, the second one is to manage the construction materials, the third one is to manage the labor, and the fourth one is to manage the subcontractors and suppliers, and the last one is to manage the construction plant and machineries. So for my part, I will explain more on the first duty of manage the construction personnel. In this duty, we have 3 important tasks that involve. The first one is to establish the staff requirement plan. During the planning stage, the responsible party involved should establish those requirements such as the forecasting, the appointment, deployment remuneration, the organization structure, the teams, job scopes, roles, duties and responsibilities, the salaries, claims and overtime, the staff development and training, the staff welfare provision, and the last one is establish the dismissals. Next is organize the staff performance monitoring process. During the monitoring process, the responsible party involved should monitor and control the work progress, the health and safety, the quality, the environmental compliance, and the performance and productivity of staff. So the last one is communicate with the staff employment, terms, and welfare provision to construction project. So in this task, responsible party are responsible for the conflict management and motivation for the staff.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to the lecturer and to my fellow friends. My name is Nur Faizatul binti Muhammad Fazil. Today, I would like to present about managed construction materials. In managed construction materials, they have 6 items in which is first one is plan material requisition, administer material requisition, administer material delivery and storage. 4. Communicate material management monitoring and control procedure to project team. 5. Monitor material usage, and lastly is material claim and payment. In plan material requisition, they have 3 items which is taking of quantities, specification and samples, material requirement and schedules. Administer material requisition, supplier license, economical consideration, delivery schedule, and also material procurement. In material procurement, they have some items which is quotation, payment terms, insurance, credit facilities, and permit temporary storage. Administer material delivery and storage. As we can see, they have many items that we need to take note in construction industry, such as quality check, loading and unloading, storage, and material inventory. Okay. 5. Communicate materials management, monitoring, and control procedure. There's 2 items which is assigned responsibility, testing, commissioning, and documentation. Monitor material usage. What we need look to in monitor material usage. Okay, we look at material storage and protection procedure, waste management, stock check, which is we need to look at daily, weekly, and monthly. Usage monitoring and material inventory monitoring. Okay, and lastly is material claim and payment. Material on site in project progress payment claim and invoice payment to supplier. When we buy some item or machineries on sites or to supplier, that we can get the supplier will give the purchasing invoice, that then we can make the payment.
Manage construction labor. We have plan, produce and revision, administer labor requisition, monitor and control labor performance, communicate labor management, monitoring and control procedures to project team, administer labor claim and payment. Plan labor recruitment and requisition, 1 to 4 quantities, labor recruitment schedule, and type, number and competencies. Administer labor requisition, labor sourcing or recruitment requirement, including permit, release and dismissal. Labor employment provision, we have remuneration, workday welfare, food and transportation, healthy and safety training, and compliance with labor. Monitor, control and control labor performance, communicate labor management, while performing monitoring, productivity exposure. Monitoring and control procedure to project team, assign responsibility. And last, administer labor claims and payment, their salary rates and overtime payment, other associate claims.
Manage construction, subcontractor and supplier. Plan subcontractor appointment, establish subcontractor work to specialized contractor, forecast subcontractor requirement, quantity subcontractor required, establish labor requirement schedule, determine pattern schedule of work, administer subcontractor appointment, subcontractor resourcing or quotation for detailed description of work. Subcontractor appointment, contract amount and terms, subcontractor deployment and logistics, welfare provision, health and safety training and termination and dismissal. Communicate subcontractor performance monitoring and control process to project team and subcontractor. Assign responsibility who, the what, when and how for plan, do, check and act. Monitor and control subcontractor performance and productivity appraisals, follow up and meet deadline, dispute avoidance, mitigation and resolution for satisfaction between parties. Administer subcontractor claims and payments, process and assessing subcontractor claim, verify subcontractor claim, approve the agreed amount to subcontractor, prepare payment certificate and define method for paying subcontractor.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Intan Shahira. Today I will explain about managed construction plant and machineries. Before that, we have to know the difference between plant and machineries. Plant is heavy machineries and machineries is equipment that we use for construction activities. There's a way to manage plant and machineries. First, it starts with plant, material, requirement and requisition, and second is organized plant and machineries, delivery, storage and maintenance. For organized, there's a thing we need to look is a requisition, supplier, respondent and record weekly of machine, that how it used at the site and the maintenance for the machine and plant. We also can use 4W1H by list everything, the work that we will do, and then we decide who will take over that works. For example, like what are the things that we will do, who, when we will going to do that, how to do it, who going to do it, and what the resources that available, and then who will be responsible for that activities. Next is monitoring and controlling plant and machineries. Monitoring is overseeing all the plant and machineries logistic plan have been carried out according to the process. Control is tracking conformance and changes have happened. This by observing, replanning the activity if non-compliance might occur. Lastly is create a positive environment at the construction site.
To wrap it up, a construction resources management can be tricky. However, with the proper resource planning and scheduling, managers can maximize the productivity and ensure that resource conflicts are minimized. So with that, thank you for watching. Bye!